The correct notion for the job makes sewing faster and easier. Today we're going to talk bodkins, what they are and how to use one. Bodkins pull cord, elastic, ribbon, or other materials through narrow channels, such as a waistband or the edge of a hood. The word bodkin may be related to the Gaelic for dagger, which makes sense since most bodkins are tapered at one end. At the other end, there's a hole or other means of attaching elastic or cord. Let's look at 3 types of bodkins. I'll explain what each is called, plus how and when to use it. I'll also show you a DIY bodkin you can use in a pinch. This flexible needle bodkin is bendable, like a circular knitting needle. It's a good option for when you work with a circular casing, such as a drawstring waistband or a hood opening. Thread the cord through the needle end. Be sure to pull plenty of cord through so it doesn't slip out while you're passing it through the channel. Place the other end of the bodkin in the channel and draw it all the way through. Pinscher style bodkins have teeth that grab hold of trim or elastic and don't let go until you release the slider. To use a Pinscher style bodkin, pinch the elastic securely. Draw it through the channel. Release the bodkin when the elastic has emerged. You're all set. A ballpoint bodkin is great for inserting thick thread or ribbon through straight casings. Thread the cord or ribbon through the eye and drop the ballpoint end through the tunnel. The ball-shaped tip helps the bodkin slide through a casing easily and not get caught in the seam allowances. I promised a DIY bodkin, and here it is, a large safety pin. This is not as fast or easy as the designated bodkins I've mentioned, but it will work in an emergency. Pin securely through the elastic or other material and close the safety pin. Inch the safety pin through the channel, scrunch the fabric around it, then slide the safety pin forward until it's traveled all the way. Slow and steady, it still does the job.